Monkeys? Museum.
So you're probably wondering how the Columbus Museum of Art and monkeys have anything to do with each other. Well, let me show you. Monkeys are themselves no matter where they are, and let's face it, we're not. So why can't we learn from them and start being ourselves no matter where we're at? Hey Bella, have you noticed the way people are acting in museums? Yeah, they're acting really weird. It's kind of annoying. Right, it is, because they're acting like they can't be themselves. When they should be themselves. If not, you're just not going to have fun.
Well, too, not everybody does.
Yeah, you won't have fun, and I think that everyone needs to be themselves. They're acting like it's some crazy idea. It is a crazy idea, but a good crazy idea. I think I know someone we should talk to about this. Yeah? Yeah, her name's Jordan Martin. Let's go.
I think there's just this idea that museums are like a very reserved, sort of detached institution, which is not really the case. I mean, I'm pretty friendly and I'm in a museum. So I don't understand why people think that, but I think there's just sort of this idea that you have to be quiet and a museum is church-like.
Don't be crazy in the museum. Don't mess with the bull, you'll get the horns.
What the heck were you doing?
I want it to be crazy.
You what?
I want it to be crazy.
Why?
Why not? I'm trying to make you understand.
I break tradition. Sometimes my tries are outside the line. We've been conditioned to not make mistakes, but I can't live that way. No.
Hi, how's it going? Cat got your tongue. That's gonna be us in like, what, 30 years? It is. TV, I'm telling you. I kinda actually like this. Why is he regret the bowling alley? I don't know, like, just give him a skateboard and tell him to park off the ramp.
We love the museum. It's so fun. Yeah.
You know what?
I'm gonna be crazy.
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 I'm gonna be crazy.
I'm gonna be crazy. I'm gonna be crazy.
I gotta